How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 67 Chevrolet C10 pickup. It's had a complete frame off restoration, done in a show quality light blue base coat, clear coat. It's all sanded and wheeled smooth, slick as glass. Truck straight as an arrow down the sides. See, the front bumper's all been replaced, all your grille trim. I tell you, I really like the 67 front ends. They're just tough looking trucks. It's got 2.5-inch drop spindles up front, power disc brakes. They did the 3-inch drop coils in the rear. Got a nice tonneau cover on it. All the tail light trim's nice, new, rear bumper. Tell you, I like the Blazer Suburban rear bumper on these. You can see how straight this truck is down the sides. It's got a 327, it's been all professionally built, makes 300 horse, nice aluminum intake and Holley, updated electronic ignition, all MSD. See, it's got your power brakes, got your power steering, got a nice set of ceramic coated headers, and the duals out the back. And nice attention to detail under the hood and everything is very tastefully, very nicely done. The only reason the gentleman really got rid of the truck is he's doing another frame off project. It's got tilt wheel. Got the rear slider. Now 67, it's pretty rare to have the big back window in 67. It's got a 700 R4 overdrive trans in it with a floor shifter. See how clean, nice all the jams are. They moved the fuel tank to the rear of the truck. It's under the back. All inside the bed's painted nice. I tell you, with the 327 in this thing, it's got a lot of power. It's got a, retrofit AM/FM stereo. Nice cloth seat in it. We'll fire it up. Fires up, just runs perfect. Good running truck. I mean, this truck is something you can get in, drive it anywhere you want to go. got the $700 with the lockup converter in it. And you can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.